Thinking about getting more organized in 2025, Evernote might just be the tool you have been waiting for or not. Let's break down everything new in Evernote 2025. So, what's new in Evernote? 1. AI Note Assistant. Evernote now includes a smart AI assistant that can summarize your note, clean up messy content, auto tag based on what's inside all in one click. 2. Customizable home dashboard. Drop and drag widgets like to-do list, calendar, recent notes, and even a writing timer. 3. Instant sync speed. Syncing across phone, tablet, and desktop is now nearly possible, and which is a big productivity win. 4. Offline mode for everyone. Yes, offline access is no longer locked behind a paywall. Even free plan user can take notes offline. Now let's talk about the pros. Smart AI assistant equal to save you lots of time. Much faster sync speed. Offline mode now are free and you can personalize your workspace as well. But what are the cons? Still bit feel heavy compared to the other minimalistic note app. Free plan has limited upload. AI features are more powerful on paid app. So if you want a smart note taking, cross device syncing, customization, and an AI assistant to organize your brain, then yes, Evernote 2025 is worth a try. But if you prefer a minimalistic, distraction free experience or need unlimited upload, then you may want to explore other alternatives like Notion. That's it for today's review. If this helped you out, give us a like, subscribe for more tool review, and drop a comment below. Are you still using Evernote or did you switch? Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.